Part 2. Filters and Rollups. Just as in smart lists and navigation lists, the HD Pane contents can be filtered. The lookup field is used to filter accounts using a wildcard account mask. To look up all accounts in Department 01, just put a 01 in the Department segment. To find all sales-related accounts, enter a 4 ? In the main account segment. There are several predefined filters available for the chart of accounts. Apply the filter Unposted Accounts to locate all accounts with no posting, or Balance Sheet to find all balance sheet accounts. The filters beginning with a question mark are known as parameterized filters. At instantiation time, you are permitted to fill in a parameter. For example, the description filter. Upon instantiation of this filter, we can enter the values *EXPENSE. Immediately, all accounts with the word expense anywhere in the description will be presented. Let's apply multiple filters. Holding down the Control key, we add the balance sheet filter to the description filter already in effect. And we are presented all balance sheet accounts with the word expense in their description. At year end, before closing, you might review this list to see if these accounts are misclassified. You can also create your own filters. Let's make a filter to find all accounts with no postings in the last 5 years. This is a filter on the Chart of Accounts table, but the criteria is placed on the related table, Journal Entry Detail. The ellipsis denotes that this table is related. We choose Do Not Have, then the More button, to gain access to the Journal Entries table and a posting date range. We could enter an absolute date, such as December 5th, 2012. However, next year the filter would not be accurate. ActivReporter has the concept of a relative date, and you can enter a date such as today minus 5 years. At any point in time, the filter will supply the correct date. Relative dates can be based on any calendar and have an extensive grammar. Last Friday, beginning of the month, end of period 5 of calendar fiscal, and all valid syntax constructions for relative dates. Today is also valid. We now apply this filter. At year end, these might be candidates for eliminating from the chart of accounts. One more comment on building filters. You can have unlimited numbers of conditions for any fields in the chart of accounts, or related table, with logical combinations of ands, ors, and nots. If this is not capable of producing the desired filter, then you can manually write your own SQL where clause. Now, let's test the speed of populating the HD pane. For this, we will move the university company records. The journal posting table contains over 650,000 entries. They are populated in the HD pane in just 3 to 4 seconds. We can smoothly scroll through the entire list. Typically, the HD pane will populate at the rate of 100,000 to 200,000 items per second. Extremely fast. This compares to approximately 350 items per second for smart lists. Rollups. Rollups are combinations of chart of account items. Rollups are used in ActivReporter Excel-based financial designs to summarize related amounts and create financial statements with a comprehensible big picture view. GP Categories is a built-in rollup, since every postable account in the chart of accounts is required to be in a GP category. You can have multiple hierarchical rollups. The basic account types, assets, liabilities, equity, revenue, and expense, can be defined by referencing the GP categories. This is an example of a rollup of rollups. You can define your own rollups independent of any GP data. The university needs to report to the NCAA based on a unique combination of accounts specified by the NCAA. This rollup was originally created in a row definition in Management Reporter. And here it is converted to an ActivReporter rollup. In conclusion, this is a built-in ActivReporter rollup created from Dynamics GP categories. You can also create rollups from row definitions in Management Reporter using ActivReporter wizards. Additionally, you can create any imaginable rollup directly in ActivReporter.